I have definitely found that faculty do as much as possible to make sure you do succeed in any of the disciplines of engineering. They hold office hours, they help you, you can have Zoom meetings, they will meet with you personally. They want to make sure you are learning the material and you actually understand it.
Well, we've been fortunate to hire many faculty in my department that have worked in industry, some up to 30 years. And they're towards the end of their career and decided, yeah, I'd really like to come back and share what I've learned to students here at Iowa State University.
When I first got hired on at the Johnson Space Center, I worked in that same group that I did in my internships with. For multiple years, I led projects and groups to train the astronauts for the assembly of the International Space Station, for the repairs of the Hubble Space Telescope, and then eventually I was selected as a flight director.
The curriculum is very thorough. It's a really good mix, I think, of theory versus on-hands lab application.
One thing I loved about the aerospace engineering curriculum is it was very hands-on. The labs were very hands-on, getting to do structural things in a structural lab, build composites and learn how to do that, work with wind tunnels.
I knew that I wanted to create something. I wanted to help make the world a better place, and I felt like engineering was something that could help me do that.
Iowa State is known for this hands-on, science with practice. That's Iowa State's motto. And we live that here. With all of the labs, the Student Innovation Center, everything is about students doing engineering.
I would definitely say hands-on is how most engineers learn. We are very visual, we need to interact with it to learn how it works. Engineering is a lot of process solving, and you can't process solve unless you see it, know how it works, take it apart, put it back together.
They have to collaborate amongst themselves, and then I'm critiquing them just like was done to me at NASA. These are all real world experiences that they are getting so that when they leave, they will have that experience.
The engineering curriculum at Iowa State is really diverse. I ended up working in a lot of different areas on a lot of different kinds of problems, and that diversity kind of prepared me for working in a variety of projects here at Microsoft.
The skills that I learned at Iowa State and through my internships at Iowa State kind of set me up to get the job that I have now.
The curriculum is tough, but you learn so much and it's going to help you in the long run. Truly be so successful if you come to Iowa State.
So Iowa State's been a leader in that area of actually computing in general, everything from the ABC computer to one of the first computer engineering programs in the country, to one of the first cybersecurity engineering programs in the country.
And when I start collaborating with others, which is a great experience that the students get here at Iowa State, that is the real world experience that companies are going to want.
The professors have been super interactive and big focus on real world applications. So you're not learning this stuff just to learn it or just to flex your knowledge, but there's a real world application to it. I think that's why our engineers do so well.
I would say, again, the dedication of the faculty to make sure you succeed, and your peers, like everyone wants you to be successful in whatever field you're going into.